Hey, this is James from Jaron.net and JamesHasAnswers.com, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries from a CyberPower 1500 VA UPS, which is also seen as a model 1500 VA, CP 1500 AVR, CP 1500C. Alright, first up is to take your UPS, flip it on its side, and we need to remove the single screw right here first. With the screw removed, take this front panel here, slide it down till it comes off, like so. Note that there are still some wires connected up at the top here. You should be able to kind of just bend it forward like that. Now you'll want to remove the connection to the batteries by pulling these two plugs apart here. Now it can be hard to pull these apart, so I had to use two pairs of pliers here to somewhat gently hold each, and then pull apart like that. And then again for these two, just wiggle them as you pull them apart, like so. With those two removed, you can then pull the batteries out by these tabs, like this, and just pull them. So here we have the two batteries connected together. So what I decided to do was, as opposed to buying the CyberPower branded batteries, which are pretty expensive, I bought two Expert Power batteries. So I'm going to peel off this tape and reuse it for my replacement batteries. And then also reuse this middle part that connects them together and save some money. We're going to reuse this tape, of course. So here's my tape. I'm going to set it aside. Now these batteries are just connected together pretty simply. I'm just going to slide these two connectors off like that and wiggle them off like that. Here's one battery I'm going to remove. Take the new battery out of the box, positive back on this one, and the negative on here. Unplug that one, goes on the negative, this one on the positive. Take out this battery. This one was the positive, this one on the negative. So that one through there, like so. And the positive from this side back through as well. Make sure these aren't going to be pinched, and putting them all back through here. So you can see here that it's fitting between all the plastic pieces, and then the same for this. All right, this is looking good. Okay, now we're going to stack these back up and put back on this tape. Make sure they are aligned as close as you can. Get this back on here. I don't think it needs to be perfect. It's kind of, the tape's just there to make it easier to slide it back in and out together. All right, so I'm gonna put them down like this, like so. Little indents for the cables to fit in. That way they don't get kind of pinched when the batteries slide in. All right, hold that down while I slide this in, like so. And this is getting in the way. Push it all the way in. And once it's kind of flush with this little piece of plastic here, it's in as far as it needs to go. And now we just connect these back up. Push it all the way in. And the same with the other one. And you can hear it beeping. I'll probably check it like that. And we slide this back on, like so. All right, push that all the way back in there. Add the screw back in. Now I'm going to plug it in. Let's go ahead and turn it on now. And I now have a battery capacity, whereas before I had none. So we should now be in business. And that is replacing the batteries from a CyberPower 1500 VA.